Hey people, it's Katie here and I'm going to tell you a little bit more about our brand new mystery make-along. Although the final project is a secret, I can reveal a little bit more about this special sweater, and today I want to talk to you about picking your size and choosing your kit. Now the sweater comes in 3 sizes, so we've got size 1, 2 and 3, and that's designed to fit across a chest range of extra small to 5XL. And it's designed to have a slightly sort of oversized unisex fit. Now, if you're in between sizes and you're not sure which way to go, you want to think about, do you want a slimmer fit or would you prefer a baggier option? And so what might help is the flat width of each final piece goes up in 10 centimeters. So a size 1 is 60 centimeters, a size 2 is 70 centimeters, and a size 3 is 80 centimeters finished flat width. And my top tip for picking your fit with a mystery project especially is find that favourite jumper, one that you love the fit of, lie it flat and measure it, and you can use this as a guide to help you pick the perfect size option for you. You can also go over to the Hobbii website and see our fit guide where we've blanked out the design, because you're not getting a sneak peek of the finished one yet, but on different chest sizes so you can see the different shapes. So I hope that helps you with picking the size of your make.